Hi guys, this is Vicky graphics. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make all this kind of video. You can see that is actually a construction side video. So let's get to the point.
Welcome to Vicky Graphics, the channel where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Here, I share simple, practical ways to create AI videos, AI avatars, faceless content, and smart digital designs, even if you're just starting out. If you're interested in AI tools, content creation, and turning ideas into powerful visuals, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Let's get started.
So I just want to show you the video. This is the video I created, and this video is actually making views or likes on social media, especially TikTok. And see the ways the workers are working on the shawarma. So let's get started. So I'm using three tools for this. One is print text, and the second one we are using chat GPT, and the third one we are using Grok AI. So you can download the three of these tools on Play Store. So let's get to the point. You open your print text, and we are going to be going to the search button. That is the second side, and we are going to be searching for miniature construction workers. So we are going to be seeing different type of feature of it. There's even the one that are building house there, but I don't need that. The one I need is the one about food that I need. So you can see all this. So you are going to be selecting, you are going to see different type of feature. You're selecting the one that have food. The reason why I'm not using another person's picture because of the copyright. So you are going to be downloading it. You used to make your own. You can continue, in fact. So once you download it, I think I saved like 3 pictures. So I saved this one also, and this is actually amazing. So you are going to get to your ChatGPT, and you're going to be clicking on the plus sign down. We are going to be selecting photos. So from the photo, you will upload the picture you save from print text to it. So I'm going to be selecting the one of the donuts, and I'll say, if you are talking to ChatGPT, don't use give me, just use please from the beginning. So please give me the prompt of this image. That's what I wrote there, because I don't want my own to be like this person, so that I will not think that I use his or her picture. So I told him to add my own brand name to it, Vicky Graphics, and I uploaded it. And we are going to be waiting till this give you the prompt. Oh, he has given me the prompt, but I'm not using the donut on. So we asked if you want a video version. So I told him that he should give me in different recipes, different snacks recipe, or different food recipe. You can say different Nigerian food recipes. So it has given me, you can see strawberry cake version. So it has given me different type. So you just wait for it. I think he gave me like, is it 10? Yes, 10 recipes of it. So I'm going to tell him, give me another recipe with video prompt. That's what I told you. You should give me another recipe with video prompt. I'm actually doing the picture on and the video on. So this is the video prompt. This is the French fries I gave me. and give me another one, do not one also. So I told it it should, yes, okay. It told me, should I give him the popcorn version or not? So I'm going to be copying this prompt. So you copy, you will move to your Rock AI. So you are going to click on imagine. So from the imagine, we are going to be pasting it. Oh, you press the prompt there. So that is the prompt. I pasted it, and we are going to be waiting to see the magic that is going to give you. So let's wait for this. Wow, you can see this is very fine. You can see my brand name at the side. You can see this is actually fine. So we are going to click on the download sign. So that's it. We are going to go to okay. I actually pasted the second prompt of the donut. So I'm going to be downloading this also. So I'm going to move back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt of it. That is the French fries. So I save this one also. You can see that this is very amazing. So I've moved back to it. I'm going to be copying it now. So after I copied it, we move back to Grok AI, and you see that this is in image. We are going to move it to video, and we are going to be clicking on it, because if you move it to image, it's only the image of what you pasted that will give you. It will not give the video prompt. You can see this is amazing. You can see the way they point the ketchup on the chips, on the French fries. I see that this is amazing. So I'm going to be doing another version again. I'm going to be waiting to see the magic that to give you. So it's actually loading. I'm going to be waiting till this load to 100, and you can see this is actually strawberry juice. So I'm going to be saving it.
Thanks for watching this video on Vicky Graphic. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. More AI tutorials and creative content are coming your way. See you in the next video.